Welcome to the Video Restoration Pipeline. This project is a powerful tool designed to enhance and restore videos using state-of-the-art AI models, all integrated seamlessly with Docker Compose. With this pipeline, you can bring old black and white videos back to life with vibrant colors, increase the resolution for a clearer picture, apply artistic styles, and even smooth out the motion by increasing the frame rate. Whether you are a content creator, a historian, or just someone with a passion for video restoration, this tool is for you. Some successful YouTube channels specialize in restoring all black and white videos. With the video restoration pipeline, you can achieve similar results for free, provided you have a good GPU. The process is relatively fast and requires just one command execution once everything is set up. Here's how you can get started. First, navigate to the Services folder. Each subfolder corresponds to a specific AI model. Follow the instructions in each subfolder to set up the AI model locally and generate its Docker image. This step can be a bit challenging, but don't worry, I've documented everything to make it easier for you. Then edit config.yaml file to specify which AI models you want to include in your Docker Compose setup. Execute python setup.py, which will create a Docker Compose YAML file based on your configuration. Place the video you want to process in the video source folder. Run Docker Compose app to start the pipeline. That command will create a Docker container for each of the images that you selected on the configuration file, and it will execute them sequentially to process your input video.
A few minutes later.
Finally, go to the video result folder to view your restored video. One of the standout features of this project is the ability to create a working Docker image for the Audified on Windows. As far as I could find, no one else on the internet has documented a successful attempt at this. This adds significant value to the project, making advanced video colorization accessible to Windows users without having to deal with Anaconda environments or Jupyter netbooks or something like that. So if you are looking to restore all videos with the latest AI technology, give the video restoration pipeline a try. It's free, powerful, and once set up, as you can see, incredibly easy to use. Download the project from GitHub and start transforming your videos today.